Hello beautiful people, it's your girl the online cook and I'll be showing you how to make puff puff with overripe plantains. Spicy plantain puff puff is a crispy golden Nigerian snack made from ripe plantains and deep fried to perfection. I'll be using 2 overripe plantains for this recipe. Guys, this is going to be the best puff puff you would ever make. So I'll start by opening up my plantains and transferring the edible yellow part to a bowl. So this part is really sweet and very soft because it is overripe. And one tip that I can give you on how to preserve your overripe plantain to stop it from decay is as soon as it becomes overripe, make sure you freeze it and keep it frozen until you're ready to use it. So when you're ready to use it, you thaw it and it's ready to be used. Now I'll mash it up nicely as can be seen in the video and then I'll set it aside. Into a bowl, I'll add 1/3 cup water, 1 tablespoon sugar, and I'll mix it very well. Next, I'll go in with 7 grams instant yeast. I'll also mix the yeast properly and allow it to sit. The reason why I like to add sugar is sugar helps to activate the yeast really fast. So after this, I'll cover it up nicely and allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Into my bowl, I'll add 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and here I have my already activated yeast. So I'll go ahead and pour this into the bowl with the flour as well. Now I'll go in with 1 cup of water. I'll mix everything properly till it combines nicely and it looks stretchy, just as can be seen very soon in this video. So this is the consistency that you want to have. I'll cover the bowl and set it aside for 1 hour to allow it to rise. After 1 hour, it's time to check, and here is what I have. So I'll add my mashed overripe plantains. I'll also be adding some pepper. This contains chili pepper, crushed bell peppers, and a little bit of sweet long pepper. I'll mix it up nicely till it combines well, and then I'll heat up some oil. For this recipe, you have to be very generous with the oil. So I'm already frying my first batch, but don't worry, I'll show you the process. Now into the hot oil again, I'll proceed to lightly drop the butter in it gently, as you can see in the video. Now, one thing I like to let you know is this sweet and spicy treat is perfect for parties, evening snack, or street food lovers craving authentic African flavors. As a matter of fact, I was shocked at how it turned out and it tasted so good. The plantain flavor or the flavor profile of the plantain was really obvious because I mashed it, so you could actually see the plantain in this snack and you'll see it as this video continues. So you would notice that as soon as I drop the batter in the hot oil, it floats almost immediately. Here is another cooking tip. Now that the oil is hot enough, I have reduced the heat from high heat to medium heat so that the plantain doesn't burn. This also gives the puff puff enough time to cook thoroughly from inside out. And the result here is crispy outside, soft and delicious inside. I really can't wait to try this. It is so nice. After frying for about 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to turn it to the other side. As you can see, it's really easy and straightforward. Just do exactly what you can see in the video here. With your spoon, turn the puff puff to the other side so that the other side can fry as well, to have a uniform golden color as well as crispy, delicious taste. So I'll allow it to fry again. And it depends on how brown you like your plantains to be. For some people at this level, they are perfectly fine with the plantains. And I have to let you know that the puff puff is perfectly cooked, even on the inside at this point. But if you like it to be a darker shade of brown, just like this, let me show you now. This is what I have now. You would notice that the color has changed a little bit. Then fry it a little bit longer on medium heat. At this point, my puff puff is ready, and I'll scoop everything out onto my kitchen towel lined basket. This is delicious. It is yummy and it is nice. And let me show you exactly what it looks on the inside. It's quite hot, but I like you to see what you are going to get when you try this recipe. This is so lovely. It's spicy and it is sweet. Thank you for watching. Till I post my next video. Bye.